Hello friends and welcome back to the Regulation channel. So friends, today I will talk about MATROX LUMA Pro A380 with two Alchemist GPUs with 12GB memory and 8-pin DisplayPort 2.0 connector. So friend, the MATROX unveiled the Pro A380 is a new graphics card, and the card does not carry Arc and Arc Pro in its name, but underneath it's powered by the Arc GPU and specifically the A380 Alchemist processor. More specifically, this is the embedded version, and what is preferred even more interesting is that there is actually two GPUs on this card, and it is marketed as a professional graphics card that can drive 4 8K display and up to 8 5K display. And another important feature is that this is single slot design with one fan, and it's equipped with 8 display connector, and not just connector but a mini version of DisplayPort 2.0. And the LUMA Pro A380 Octal is not only model in the series. The company also offers a 380 Quad version, which is essentially the same card but with single GPU, lower power consumption, and quad mini DisplayPort connector replaced with the full-size DisplayPort. And this model also features 6GB memory, and the Octal mode has a 12GB memory and officially 170 watt TDP, and its use of the same Alchemist architecture found in the Arc series. And however, running anything across two GPUs may be challenging without full driver and software support. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.